Ladies and gentlemen, I come from the net. Don't worry, ma'am. Your friendly neighborhood basement dweller here to tell you the news. And man, AI is eating up RAM the same way that Bitcoin mining was eating up graphics cards not too long ago. So these days, there's no way you're going to be making enough money off of a video card to be doing the Bitcoin thing. We're not worried about that anymore. Back in the day, everyone was using video cards for that so much that suppliers were like, we're only going to sell you a video card if you're buying a motherboard at the same time. And these days, the people who manufacture RAM aren't interested in selling to the end users anymore. Crucial, made by Micron, and Samsung have decided that they're only going to be selling to certain people, basically. Samsung isn't even selling to Samsung anymore. Samsung is not even selling to Samsung when it comes to their RAM, which is amazing. It's mind blowing. You never had these problems earlier. And that's because AI is taking over everything. We are having a big cultural thing with RAM, mostly because of AI. And that's amazing. So this is RAM that you throw into your computer. This is RAM you throw on video cards. You know what? RAM might be harder and harder to get because your VRAM with your video cards is a big way that you create like AI, llama, and stuff like that. The more VRAM you have, the better you get. And hey, if you don't have any VRAM, you just throw that regular RAM in there and your CPU will take care of it. All because of our increased use of AI. Is the AI bubble going to burst? Yeah. Eventually, we're going to figure out that we can't do all the things that we thought we wanted to. But in the meantime, all the RAM is being used up. I haven't seen this kind of an issue since I think there was a giant flood in Taiwan a long, long time ago. And many of us will remember that. It was not very happy, it was not very good, no, no, no. But that's how it goes. That's how it goes. Legitimately, though, AI is always going to be here. It's going to be with us because it's a new tool that everyone's using. There are absolutely jobs being lost because of this. There's absolutely positions that are going missing altogether. Even McKinley. I hope I'm saying that right, McKinley. And there were people that corporations would basically pay to give advice to. And that way, if the corporations, the board of directors and stuff, if they took the advice and screwed up, they could just blame McKinley. Damn, I hope I'm saying that right. I used to call them McKinsley, but that's wrong. That's wrong. But they've laid off so many people. There's so many layoffs going on because of AI. AI can absolutely help people. It can help them go much faster. It can help them do so much. And I find myself using AI in more and more of my jobs. I have a feeling AI is like your next dog, basically, man's best friend. Dog will never be as awesome as AI. Never. But it's going to be with us for here on in into the future. Now, it's interesting that many of these manufacturers of RAM aren't ramping up their production. They're not buying new, they're not going to Siemens and saying, Siemens, build us more things so that we can make more RAM boards. No, because I bet they think that the AI bubble is going to pop, that people are going to stop putting their money into it. A long time ago, there was a situation where people with money were just throwing money into tech startups because if you were throwing money into a tech startup, you could make millions, billions, quadrillions. Remember that blood testing thing that a woman made? Then she started talking like this so people would take her very seriously. You know what's messed up? That actually worked. Changing her voice and acting like Steve Jobs. He just and nobody ever it's amazing, it's amazing. I knew people who were in the blood banking place who just knew you can't make a blood test with a few drops of blood. That's just not how it works. Oh, I forget the name of it now, but most people are going to know what I'm talking about. Most people are going to know. But yeah, it's a new world. It's a new world, and the manufacturers of this RAM just want to sell huge amounts to a few people, and that's the way they want to do it. So the price of RAM's going through the roof, all because of AI. And that's the new future, guys. That's the new future. That's where we are. And that's interesting, but that's it for me, folks. I'm Nef from Tech, but take care of each other, will ya?